Hi, this is Jalasmi Ngangum and you're watching ISTV English News. First, the top stories. Police safely removes bombs planted in 2 different schools. And BJP demands state government to produce white paper on the ongoing Indo-Naga peace talks. Now the news in detail. Alleged underground cadres have once again targeted educational institutions in the state. Bomb experts today safely removed bombs planted in 2 different schools. According to information received by ISTV News, a hand grenade was found at Human Resource Development Academy complex located at Ghari. The hand grenade was discovered late last night, planted by unknown miscreants. The bomb was today recovered by the police after receiving information from the school authorities. The bomb was today recovered at 8:40 in the morning by the experts. On the other hand, another bomb was found at Komet School located at Changangai Uchekon. The bomb was discovered by the school officials. After receiving information, police officials rushed to the school and safely removed the bomb at around 9:40 a.m. in the morning. Meanwhile, the escort team of IFCD Minister Ngamthang Haokip met with an accident at 7:45 in the morning today. The escort team met with the accident at Khudeng Thabi at Imphal Moreh Road. The escort team suffered minor injuries. IFCD Minister was on his way to attend a function at Moreh. Soon after receiving information about the accident, SDPO Moreh H. Balaram rushed to the spot. The Indo-Naga peace talk between NSC and IM and Indian government is shrouded in mystery. Manipur government should bring out white papers so that people of the state know the details of the peace talks. This was said by BJP National General Secretary Tapil Gao during a press meet today. The press meet was also attended by Manipur Pradesh BJP President T.H. Chauba and spokesperson Nilamani. T.S. Chauba said the party wants equal development in the hills and the valley region. He said they will go to interiors of the state and find out facts regarding development of the state. Tapil Gao further said law and order in the state has worsened in the past few years. He said molestation and assault on film actors in Chandil, mother of Sankar Lal, who was kidnapped from Kangla by police personnel, and the killing of journalist Nanau by state police force indicate that Ibobi-led Congress government has failed to protect life and property of its citizens. Tapil Gao further said the party supports amicable solution in the Naga peace talks. He said the peace talk is not only about Manipur but also concerns the entire northeastern states. He urged Manipur government to bring out white paper regarding the peace talks.
Living Stone has assaulted the film actors of Manipur in front of the public in presence of paramilitary, became the spectators, and the local police was also there. There was a hue and cry amongst the public, but the state government has yet to take any kind of decision, and necessary actions has not been taken by the state government. He is very concerned about the Indo-Naga talk with government of India. Let the people of Arunachal, Assam, Nagaland and Manipur know what is going on in the Naga peace talks. We prefer and we support amicable solutions.
2 people were killed in an accident today. The accident occurred at 9:45 in the morning at Maitram Malom Makhalekai. The accident occurred between a bus coming from Nambol towards Imphal and a Tata Winger heading towards Churachandpur. The driver of the Tata Winger and a young girl travelling in the Tata Winger were killed in the accident. The driver is from Nambol Awanglekai and has been identified as Ningthauzam Rohit Kant, age 35 years. The passenger who was killed has been identified as Linglainam Haokip, age 8, from Churachandpur Molphai village. Both passed away on the way to RIMS. 22 people were injured in the accident and are currently undergoing treatment at RIMS. The Election Department will organize an essay competition in relation with the National Voters' Day. The theme of the essay is, quote, "The Importance of Voting and Indian Democracy," unquote, and it should be written in English medium. The essay should contain more than 3,000 words. Students ranging from class 11 till master level can submit a well-prepared essay before January 18th, which is the last date. The 179th death anniversary of Maharaj Gambhir Singh was observed today at Chingamakha Maishnam Likai. It was organized by Chingamakha Taba Maishnam Development Committee. Titular King Sanajauba and other important personalities were present at the observation, which was held at the residence of Dr. Maishnam Mahindra. During the ceremony, floral tributes were paid to Ibudau Gaurasham, who is the father of Maishnam Ningol Kumudini, wife of Maharaj Gambhir Singh. Dr. Mahindra gave speech regarding the observation.
Gambhir Singh Maharaj ki leihidabagi kumon he tarakpasi aigi pam da sodum kanhange noi soida namdana masima kalau ko ipa gi su yauro ima gi su yauro haidana mai tawna simbi gi bani chahi chama ga humdraga mapan gi mamang da leihidabadu akhoi da takpira mai matungina nithong ga kya ga samna jarakpa Chingamakha Maishnam sagai oijabanina
That's all for today, but before we conclude, the headlines once more. Police safely removes bombs planted in 2 different schools, and BJP demands state government to produce white paper on the ongoing Indo-Naga peace talks. Thanks for joining with us. Goodbye.